Okay, so we got this situation. A group of student comprises of 5 boys. Okay, so 5 boys and n girls. Okay, if the number of ways in which a team of 3 students can randomly be selected from this group such that there is at least one boy and at least one girl in each team is this. So look at this. So they are saying that you should have at least one boy and at least one girl. So can we have one girl, two boy, one boy, two girl? Because we have only these two, we have to select only 3 person. Okay, so there is no other way to find one. Okay, now let's simplify things. So we have to go with the case 1. So we have to select 2 boys. So 5c 2, task is not completed, so multiply. NC1, we have to select one girl, correct? Now second case, 5C1 NC2. So according to us the total number of ways is this, but according to them the total number of ways is 10750. Okay, now let's simplify things. So 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, n factorial, 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial plus 5 factorial, 1 factorial, 4 factorial, and then n factorial by 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial is 1750. Now look at this. Let's simplify. So you know that you have to break 5 factorial and it can be written as 5, 4, 3 factorial. So 3 factorial, 3 factorial gone. We will be left with 5, 4 by 2. Look at this n minus 1 factorial. The moment you will break this thing as first term, no, n into n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial will be neutralized. You will be left with n plus 4 factorial gone. You will be having only 5. Now it is n minus 2 factorial. So can I go with n into n minus 1? Now n minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial will be neutralized, and then 2, it will become 1750. Correct? Now can I multiply both sides by 2 so that I can get rid of this 2 and this 2? Okay, so 5 fours are 20, so 20n plus 5n square minus 5. Now if you will multiply this with 2, it will become 350. No, if you will multiply by 2, yes, it will become 350. So 350 this side, it will become minus of 350, not 350, 3500. Okay, 5n. Now look at this. Let's rearrange things. So it is, let's divide by 5 also. So it is n square plus 3n minus 700 equals to 0. Now you have to factorize this quadratic function, quadratic equation. Okay, so can I write that 700 as 7 into 100, and 100 I will write as 25 into 4. We have to make 3. So acha, हाँ, look at this. This is 28 and 5. So you can make 3. So can I write n square plus 28n minus 25n minus 700 equal to 0. Correct? Now let's factorize. So it is n plus 28 n minus 25. So you will get value of n as 25 and minus of 28. You know that the number of girls cannot be in negative. So the required number n, n was the required, no? So required value of girls means the total number of girls is 25. I hope the idea is clear.